Talk about it, Jason, as you work it. From the light, or not from the light, you're attaching the light to what? Huh? Why should you connect that light to the battery?
Because all lights is supposed to connect to the battery, so all the lights.
Yeah. Do you hear that? What do all the lights need to connect to? What did he just say? Yeah, because that's where the power is. Brian. I like that you're including Brian. Nice, Brian. That's right, Rihanna. They got to connect to the battery. So look at this. Why would you need 2 wires to go from here to there?
So, how does this light work?
Well, the light is
Trace the path.
the control.
Trace him again. How many paths do you have?
3.
And how many happen components do you have? How many power sources do you have?
1.
So you have 1 path for each happen component. That's why you have enough electricity. Now, we're actually, I would have you take it apart and do it again a different way, but just keep it like this because we're about to sketch. Actually, spread it out so it's easier to see. And I would like you to take turns tracing the electricity. And I would like Ava to listen to you to make sure that you're doing it correctly. So Ava, call on someone to trace the electricity. Make sure she's using her words from the battery.
From the battery. We're going to need 1 more light.
You got 2 to work?
Yep.
Can you trace the paths? See, if you have a loop like this, it's best to take it off and unloop it just because it's easier to see. So can you trace the paths there? And use your words. From the battery. Yeah.
From the battery, through the wire to the light. Through the wire and back. I get it.
Okay. And then
to the light. I get wire it. To the light. Wire. And back to the battery.
What do you get?
The more you add, the brighter it gets. Miss Melissa.
What do you mean the more you add? The more what?
The more light you add. Miss Melissa. The more light you put, the more it touches and gets. It just makes work when you have more wires. So how many wires you have, you could just put it to the battery.
What are you? Oh, keep going.
There's not.
Maya, you should be listening.
I am.
Then look at her.
There's never too much wires to go to a battery.
Okay, and what are you creating with your wire? What do the wires allow you to make?
A path.
A path.
It looks like legs.
It does. And right now, how many paths do you have?
2.
Okay, so watch how Diamond's going to connect that last light. Oh, Keon, I wish you were still tracing the electricity.